everyone, my name's Abby and welcome back to my office. So today I wanted to talk about taxes. Taxes may seem daunting, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on the basics. So let's get started. Let's break down the different types of taxes you may encounter. So taxes come in many shapes and sizes, but some of the most common types include income tax, sales tax, property tax, and payroll tax. So let's talk about how taxes are calculated. Income tax. Your income tax is calculated based on how much money you earn each year. The more you earn, the higher your tax rate may be. Income tax rates can vary depending on your income level and filing status. Your filing status has to do with if you have dependents like children or grandparents you take care of, or if you're married and filing jointly, or unmarried and filing as single. Sales tax is a percentage added to the price of goods and services at the point of sale. The rate of tax varies by state and locality, so it's essential to check tax rates in your area. So for example, typically when you buy something, I'm sure you see all over the place like it's $10, but with tax, it's whatever it may be, depending on your area, it's more money than the original price was. And that is sales tax. In states like Delaware and New Hampshire, there is no sales tax. So why is it crucial to file your tax return? The importance of filing tax returns are for compliance reasons. Filing your tax return is not only a legal requirement, but also ensures compliance with tax laws and regulations. And refunds. Filing a tax return allows you to claim any eligible deductions or credits, potentially leading to a tax refund if you overpaid your taxes throughout the year. So for example, as a working single person with no dependents, I typically do get some amount of a tax refund because typically I would overpay the taxes because I have no dependents and things like that. So therefore I end up getting a tax return. When I used to be a real estate agent, you got the full check without any taxes taken out of your check. So therefore, I used to have to pay a lot of taxes instead of getting a refund. As far as filing your own taxes, you can use tools such as TurboTax, but if you aren't really sure how, or your taxes are a little bit complex or multi-state, if you're a student or whatever it may be, I definitely recommend hiring an accountant or at least speaking with a tax advisor. Remember, while taxes may seem complex, understanding the basics is the first step towards financial literacy and empowerment. I know it seems like another capitalistic game where the government is like, here, guess how much you owe, and you'll be in trouble if you don't get it correct, which is why I would always recommend just hiring an accountant. I think that is a useful and important cost for the year, so that way you make sure your taxes are done correctly.